video, let's look at how we can get the column number of a cell using either the column function in Excel or more practically using VBA, where this scenario is more common. So first, let's look at what we want to achieve. Say we want to get the column number of column BA5. Rather than counting, one option is to use equals column, and then we pass in the cell reference. So say we want the column number of BA5, and we get that it's column 53. So this is a lot easier than passing in, going to say column BA, then let's do an X, and then go here, and then we get the 53 here as well. You can see it's the 53rd column. So rather than doing that, we could just use the function column and then pass in the cell reference. But more practically, there are many times where we want to get the column number in VBA, where we're doing some coding and we don't want to hard code the column value. So let me just open up the VBA editor and show you how that's done. So first, let me add a sub. I'll call it the column number. Okay, the ends up appears, and so first I'm going to declare the column as integer. So declare my variable, and then I'm going to assign it column equals to, then we'll use the range. Let's just use BA5 again, BA5, since that's what we did just now. Range BA5 dot column. Okay, and then let's just print that out using a message box. Okay, so when you run this, you get the value 53. Of course, you could also debug.print, and then you can print out a range of columns that you need. So now when I run this, it will appear at the window here. You see 53. So in this way, we can get the column numbers of the various cells that we are working with, and we can operate with them dynamically rather than hard coding values. Hope you found this video useful. Do hope you like and subscribe, and see you soon in the next